Oh no, that's just cool.
Woo, look at them lights.
Turn it off, start the day. Listen to it, hold up. Haven't got the pot hot yet. I need to post up. Get a little sun on my face before I start the day.
What up, everybody? It is Justin from the Blazing Biddles, and we got something for you today. Oh wait, I gotta try one of those YouTube things. Hold on.
Yeah.
Wow, that's better. All right. So obviously today I do have a sponsored video for you guys. Auxbeam was cool enough to send me some brand new headlights. As you can see, they're kind of a little faded and they're LED, but new design, better light. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how easy it is to switch these out today. And then we'll go off-roading at night and we will show you how these things actually work, because these new lights are freaking awesome. So, like I was saying, as you can see by the design here, it's a whole different design. So we're going to an LED projector to an LED row style headlights. It's supposed to be brighter and have more projection down the road, aim a little better. And I'm actually going to move the low beams to down here in bottom, so I'm not blinding people as much, and so I can see a little bit better in the fog and stuff as well. Low beam will be just the lower, and then high beam will be both. Also built into these, they have the X. The outside are the running lights.
Hot yet. I need to post up. Get a little sun on my face before I start it.
And the inside is an orange blinker.
I just need to meditate. Let's believe I'm gonna make.
That's all integrated into the single light with one plug and 2 extra wires. So super simple install, especially if you already have LEDs in your truck like I do. If you don't have LEDs, it's a little bit harder, but it's still totally worth it in the end.
With it, but I take time, won't reciprocate. Sipping juice, keeping it in tune when I levitate. Then I know that it's time to strike.
The nice thing about these is they have just a quick plug on the back of them. So I'm going to have to do some wiring, but I'm going to do that off camera so you don't have to sit here and watch me. But it's just as simple as that. I mean, take these nice new ones. There's these 2 extra plugs that the old ones don't have. But this will go through here. Maybe. Oh, look at those. Those are mean. Look at the difference.
Right? I'm gonna get the
Mean. I can't wait to have them lit up at nighttime. Really
big
cool.
difference.
Hopefully they're actually brighter. The old headlights were pretty good though, so these things have a challenge they have to keep up to.
Big shoes to fill.
Big shoe. We'll see. 1 LED versus 15 LEDs. So we'll see how far technology has come. And also, look at this too. Look at the thickness difference. Like, they're quite a bit shallower too. So if this can outperform this, I'm impressed.
Phone ringing off the hook. Turn it off and start the day. Listen to it, hold up. Hot yet. I need to post up. Start the day. I just need to meditate. Let's believe I'm gonna make moves with it, but at time won't reciprocate. Sipping juice, keeping it in tune when I levitate. Then I know that it's time to strike. That it's time to strike. That it's time to strike.
There they are. All installed. They look mean.
So you're wiring them in now?
Just 2 plugs. Just like that.
The lower ones?
Yeah, those are low beams. Well, those are the low beams.
Woo! Woo!
And there's some high beams for us.
Blinded me.
I'm gonna wire up the other stuff off camera, and then later tonight we'll come show the blinkers and the running lights and all that stuff once I get that hooked up. But for now, All right, since I am starting this new YouTube channel and everything, well, not new YouTube channel, but my YouTube channel, and I do want to be kind to the people that do go out of their way to sponsor me. So my windows here, my quarter windows, these are going to be my sponsor windows, and Auxbeam will be the first one. So let's go ahead and get this sticker on here, huh? All right, and just like that, we have our first channel sponsor. These things are so freaking cool. Man, these things are cool. Single LED, bright as hell. That right there is just the low beams. I'm gonna adjust them down and take a drive. Absolutely love these headlights. These things are awesome. Thank you, Auxbeam, again for hooking us up. I really, really appreciate it. I'm glad to showcase your product, and I'm definitely going to be getting some product from you guys in the future as well, because this stuff is just absolutely awesome. And just so you guys know, Auxbeam was cool enough to hook up a discount code. So if you guys do decide you want these headlights, you want these lights that I run, you want any other product that they have, discount code Justin will give you 15% off anything that they offer store-wide. Not just these lights, not just some other lights, anything that they offer store-wide. Now that I got these nice lights, I'll be able to handle really any off-road and any time. And I don't know if I told you guys last time or not, but I'm getting ready to move up to the mountains. And we are going to be creating more content for you guys, for me and my friends. We're going to go off-roading a whole lot more. There's a whole lot more trails and general off-roading where I'm moving compared to where I live now. Right now I have to travel about 2.5 hours to do any real off-roading, and it's just taking a toll on me. So I love it, and this is my passion, this is my life, this is what I want to do. And to make that come true, we're picking up our family and we're moving out up in the mountains, about 20 minutes from the closest off-road trail. So that's going to make things really easy when it comes to going off-road with my family and my friends. And you'll see more of my dad too. My dad will be off-roading, and I know I'm running into everything, but these rigs aren't babied. We don't treat them like our babies. We kind of abuse our trucks. Honestly, we beat the hell out of them, but it's a whole lot of fun, and we have some great times with some great people, and this is just what we do. So, like I said, if you like these lights, go ahead and go get yourself some. Discount code Justin, save you 15% off, and it's going to help the channel a little bit, keep these videos coming. You're also going to see us do a whole lot of upgrading to Ingrid, the Blazer. She's going to get doublers soon. We're going to have to pull the engine out this summer and probably head stud it, main stud it. I'm thinking about getting a bigger turbo for it. We got some new beadlocks coming from a friend. They're H1 wheels. We're gonna find some probably 43, 44 TSLs. I'm gonna groove them all up live for you on this and show you guys why we groove tires and all that for snow. And yeah, we'll just have a whole lot more content coming in the future. I hope you guys stick with us. I hope you guys stick to the channel, and I hope you guys like what we do, because we put a lot of effort into it. If you want to see these lights in action and you want to see my K5 in action, make sure you click the link right now.
Crazy white boy, what do you know? It's storming out here, bitch. You know it's storming out here.